Okay, welcome everyone. This is TVP 7154 at a special GameStop event, or rather a special Joey Logano race car event sponsored by GameStop. This will happen to be here at Kingstown, Virginia. And I'm going to take a little tour of the race car sponsored by GameStop and Toyota. So apparently he's number 20. Here's this thing. I won't bother you with racing terms since I don't even know them. Here's the whole picture. Looks pretty to me. Here's the front. That looks like a race car. Well, let's take a closer look. Looks like we have some cool batteries and other electronics there. I wonder what that is. So, here's a net, another tube. Ooh, I wonder what that is. Alright, let's look inside of the dashboard. What is that? IGN? Ooh. I wonder what those do. There's the gauge. There's the steering wheel. Some fancy electronics there. And here's the seat. Yep. Need all the cushioning you can get for something like this. And it has room for someone else, although they'll probably won't last long in there. See some of the decals on this. We have some Goodyear tires. Goodyear. And some strange pink stuff. That's pretty much it. Let's see what this thing's next to. Oh, look at this. It's a trailer. I wonder what this is. Apparently it's some racing games for the Wii, the PS3, and the Xbox 360. And some merchandise for sale here. Oh, sir, I don't think I ever got your name.
Jim McCone.
Jim McCone? Oh,
yes.
excellent. Excellent.
Nice to meet you.
So what brings this trailer here right now?
We were in Richmond for the race last week, and we race in Darlington this weekend and Dover next weekend.
Okay.
So we're just out supporting the stores since they support us. So I'm just doing some stores right around the D.C., Baltimore area. Okay. And then be heading over towards like Baltimore, towards Dover next week. Getting ready for the race next week.
Is this what you do? Is this your job?
It's my job.
Excellent. Do you like your job?
Oh, I love it. They're working for a living.
Right. Okay. I mean, this isn't working for a living?
No. I'm on vacation every day.
Yeah. I can understand that, yeah. That's good to be on vacation.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see what we have here for sale.
We've got shirts, hats, die casts, keychains.
Yeah.
A little bit of everything. Then we got some new games that are
that looks
coming
cool.
out in May. We got a split second game that's coming out May 18th.
Split second. What's that about? Oh,
It's a racing game.
Okay.
And then they've got the Red Dead
Okay, I see.
game that's coming out.
I see. Yeah.
In May also.
Oh, okay.
Just had to put some batteries in this remote here.
That's pretty cool.
Jump on one of those games if you want to play.
I'll do this one since I can do it with one hand.
There you go.
Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh, Mario Kart Wii Racing. Of course. That's funny. That's really funny. Let's see what I want here. Just single player is good enough for me.
On an endless dinner buffet, and all for around $10.
Grand Prix. Let's see what we got here. Of course, Mario. Good enough. Oh, I'm an automatic guy, so let's beat Luigi. Here we go. Let's see what we got here. I haven't played this before, so this is going to be bad. And I'm playing with my left hand, too. I'm hoping A's accelerate. Too bad.
One or two.
All right, try two. There we go.
Yeah, one remote to first and one to forward.
So this is how I'm driving. Oh, this is cool.
You've got one so you can jump on the PS3 or the Xbox and play.
There we go. Oh, this is cool. I'm no Grand Prix driver, but this is cool. Wrong way. What? There we go. Oh, multitasking for the win. There we go. It's good thing these racers stink. Oh, this is hard to do. Oh, this is really hard to do. Uh-oh. I'm about to get my screen blotted. Ha! Oh, I go on a banana. That stinks. Oh, come on, Bowser. To me, Mario. Be nice to me. I'm in third place, too. Yay. This is hard to do. I don't even know if you can actually see this. Oh, red shell right at the finish. Ha ha. Yay. Even with that, I got first place. Look at that. I'm pro. Okay, enough of that silliness. I'm not even going to try to get this, but I'll watch this guy play. Looks pretty at least. Oh, you drifted the wrong way.